Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn on how to log in to your Cenlar account. So let's get started. First, open any browser that you like. Then in the search bar, type in Cenlar, then hit enter. Then tap on the website having URL as cenlar.com. In my case, it's the first one. And now we are in the official website of Cenlar. Now, if you see in the top navigation bar, there are a few options: homeowner login and client partner login. Tap on homeowner login if you are homeowner and tap on client partner login if you are client partner. And now you will be facing a form asking for your username and password. So go ahead and type your username in the text field given for username and type your password in the text field given for password. You can check this box that says remember my username so that you don't have to provide your login credentials next time you log in. Now also check this box that says I agree to user terms and privacy policy. Now to log into Cenlar, all you gotta do is tap on this login button and you will be able to log into Cenlar successfully if you got your credentials correct. And guys, that was it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider liking this video and subscribe to our channel TechUp. Feel free to drop any of your questions in the comment section below. I will be happy to help. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.